Hey there, Travis of Intelligent Choice. I want to start by thanking you all for all the feedback that you've given me on the series so far. It's been awesome to hear from you. One thing that's come up a lot is that you want a clearer understanding of how AI agents actually think and solve problems. So before we dive deeper into the real world applications, this video is here to help make sense of that. Because once you understand how these systems are designed to solve problems, everything else will fall into place. So first, let's take a look at Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. So think of RAG like a highly efficient librarian. You ask a question and it quickly finds the most relevant information from a massive archive. It's fast, accurate, and if your question aligns well with the data it has access to, it gives you a really strong answer. As you can see in the diagram, the user delivers a prompt, the model retrieves relevant information from a database, and then delivers a response. But here's the catch, is that RAG isn't actually thinking, it's retrieving. It doesn't strategize, plan, or adapt in real time. If a problem requires sort of multi-step reasoning or dealing with something that's entirely new that it hasn't covered in its data set, RAG hits a wall. And that's where AI agents come in. And that's what makes them so powerful. Now, this is where AI agents step in and change the game. Unlike RAG, they don't just retrieve information, they reason, plan, and take action. Think of it this way, like if RAG is a librarian, they're great at finding information, but not necessarily interpreting or applying it. An AI agent is like a detective, solving a case, gathering evidence, and asking questions, and adjusting as new information comes into play. Instead of just looking for the best answer, AI agents can ask, how should I solve this? And then figure it out step by step. So AI agents operate on two different levels, fast reactive thinking, and this is like a muscle memory. If they've seen a similar problem before, they can pull from past experiences and solve it quickly. And then you have strategic step-by-step thinking. This is where things get really interesting when faced with a novel challenge. AI agents, they slow down, break the problem apart, and formulate a plan before acting. They use a reason, act, and access memory loop to continuously improve. And just like a detective, they don't stop until the case is solved, or at least until they hit a dead end and then have to rethink their approach. So a major shift is happening right now towards a more compound systems approach where AI agents don't just rely on a single model. They integrate multiple models and tools to solve problems step by step. This is where the detective analogy becomes even more relevant. Instead of being restricted to a single source, AI agents can think and plan before jumping to answer. They strategize how to tackle the problem using specialized tools, whether it's searching, running calculations, writing code, or even calling on another model. They take action using the best tools for the job. They generate insights instead of just retrieving information. They analyze results and refine their understanding as they adjust the new steps. They also adapt and iterate. So if their first approach isn't effective, they reassess, tweak their plan, and try again, learning from each new attempt. So the agentic approach is what allows AI to move beyond that rigid single-step process. Instead of just retrieving an answer, AI agents can reason through problems, adjust in real time, and continuously improve, unlocking a whole new level of problem-solving capability. So as you can see, AI agents are becoming active problem solvers. They're able to strategize, take action, and redefine their approach on the fly. It allows them to break down complex challenges, automate multi-step workflows, and optimize decisions on the fly. And that's really just the beginning. As they evolve, it will sort of redefine how we approach automation, decision making, and problem solving. And now that we've covered that sort of way of how they think and act, it's time to actually look at how they're being put to work. So how are AI agents being applied in your industry? Drop a comment, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to go a little bit deeper into AI strategies, I'd love for you to connect with me on LinkedIn. And I'll see you in the next one.